What's going on, everybody? Sugar and Spice Topics. Here's an update on Amber Guyger. Amber Guyger is to appeal. Well, not necessarily. Her lawyers is saying that she has not decided if she wants to appeal or not. But according to the Texas law, you have to file an appeal within 30 days or an intent to appeal within 30 days. However, people are saying they already knew that she was going to appeal anyway. Like, she wasn't even really showing any sorrow when she climbed in that car and was on her phone texting. Michael Mawaya filed a notice of appeal last week, according to court documents CNN obtained Tuesday. Her lead trial lawyer said this was a formality in following Texas law. You have 30 days by statute to file a notice of intent to appeal, so the lawyer that's handling the appeal filed that just to preserve the right, Robert Rogers said. You have to do that. Prosecutors want a rare murder conviction in a police-involved shooting. Here's what made Amber Guyger's case different. Rogers said it will be months before we know whether Guyger will proceed with an appeal. Rogers will not be a part of the appeal process. CNN was unable to reach Mawaya or get comment from the Dallas County District Attorney's Office on Tuesday. Guyger, 31, was found guilty of murder in the shooting death of Botham Jean, a 26-year-old accountant. Guyger said she walked into Jean's apartment last year thinking it was her own and shot the man she believed to be an intruder. She's serving a 10-year sentence at the Mountain View Prison in Gatesville, Texas. She is eligible for parole on September 29th, 2024. So people are talking about this hug. This hug was supposed to be some type of act of God's love and forgiveness. But look, as a result of what's happening, she is already trying to file an appeal, and you told this woman she don't even deserve to be in jail for killing your own sibling. Not cute. Left PhD says on Twitter, Amber Guyger's lawyer filed intent to appeal murder conviction. I wonder if the brother of Botham Jean, the black judge, want to take back all of those forgiveness hugs. And that's what Young Pharaoh, Truth Out Loud, Nubian Queen, myself, been hollering about. Willie D live. That hug is not cool. I mean, you giving a woman a hug that killed your brother, and it's just like a mockery, like I said, of Christianity and the love of God. This woman is already about to file an appeal. She want to make sure she don't miss the opportunity, but the lawyer is trying to say, well, this doesn't mean that she's decided to follow an appeal. We're just going by Texas statutes. You have 30 days to file an intent to appeal, just to be on the safe side, just in case she decides she wants to file an appeal. Okay, whatever. So the moral of the story is, as a result of this quick forgiveness that we display sometimes as black people, and this is real, like, I'm not saying don't be forgiven. Of course you should be forgiven, of course. But I think you should be looking for some type of remorse first. I think you should use wisdom in what you're doing. Because of what has happened, as a result, in my perception, is that that's what happened with the Tatiana and that police officer, Dean. He murdered another black person in their house. This other female, she was a younger woman who was a educated person, went to college, university, and just like Botham, not a drug dealer, not a gangbanger. You violated and trespassed in her home and killed her. So I think that if there was some type of real stern, like strict punishment, at least stand your ground. Don't give her a Bible before the woman even admits to anything wrong. I think that we could have taught lessons out here. All in all, I'm glad some type of justice has already been executed, but this is an example of her not really being sorry. But what do y'all think? Leave your comments below.